They have both won all their 3 matches in the tournament. They have both qualified for the Super 8. But make no mistake, जब अफगानिस्तान का मुकाबला वेस्ट इंडीज के साथ ग्रोजिले सेंट लूसिया में ट्यूसडे को होगा, ये कोई डेड रबर नहीं होगा. This will be a riveting clash for the top positions in Group C. Afghanistan and West Indies have a neck-to-neck head-to-head rivalry. So this will be an encounter for bragging rights. Who knows, these very two teams may again meet in the knockouts, so both would not want to concede any psychological advantage. To find out more about the match and other interesting insights, please continue to watch our video. Hosts West Indies will lock horns with Afghanistan in a battle for supremacy in Group C at St. Lucia on Tuesday. दोनों टीम्स सुपर 8 में क्वालिफाई कर चुकी हैं, तो शायद अपने बीच स्ट्रेंथ को एक मौका दें. Afghanistan is at the top of the table with 3 convincing wins and a high net run rate. They have good momentum having won their last 5 matches. West Indies ने भी अच्छी लय पकड़ ली है and has been victorious in their last 7 T20I encounters. The Darren Sammy National Cricket Stadium in Grosley at St. Lucia has hosted 19 T20Is. टॉस जीतने के बाद सेंट लूसिया में कैप्टन बैटिंग पसंद करते हैं and have opted to bat on 12 occasions. The probability of winning the match after winning the toss is 52.6%. यहाँ पे average score batting first is 161 for 6, while the average score chasing is 153 for 6. Australia chased down Scotland's 180 at St. Lucia in a thriller on Sunday. Netherlands clash with Sri Lanka at St. Lucia on Monday. St. Lucia batting के लिए अच्छा venue है. 160 has been crossed 17 times at the venue in 19 matches. The team chasing has a marginal advantage, winning 10 of the 19 matches at the venue. The highest score at St. Lucia is 199, while the lowest is 105. The average score is 157. यहाँ के पिच में ट्रू बाउंस है जो कि फास्ट बॉलर्स को मदद करेगी, पर स्पिनर्स ने भी सेंट लूसिया में बढ़िया परफॉर्म किया है. Pacers have picked 57% of the wickets at an average of 23.9 and economy of 8.1, while the spinners have bagged 43% of the wickets at an average of 30.4 and economy of 7.9. The mean temperature will be around 29 degrees, but there is 50% chance of rain on Tuesday. West Indies might make a couple of changes to their playing 11. Shai Hope could replace Johnson Charles at the top of the order, while Shimron Hetmyer could come in for Roston Chase. Afghanistan might rope in Nangalai for Karim Jannat. Afghanistan have upset West Indies 3 times in 7 matches in the format. उन्होंने वेस्ट इंडीज को पिछले दोनों मुकाबलों में लखनऊ के मैदान पर 2019 में हराया था. Afghanistan stunned the West Indies by 6 runs in the 2016 T20 World Cup in Nagpur. Najibullah Zadran was the player of the match in the historic 2016 T20 World Cup win against the West Indies in Nagpur. करीम जन्नत का काफी अच्छा रिकॉर्ड है वेस्ट इंडीज के विरुद्ध T20Is में. Rashid Khan has also done well against the West Indies. Nicholas Pooran will be the key man for West Indies in the middle order. Pooran IPL 2024 में भी धुआंधार फॉर्म में थे. Pooran has this special ability to clear the ropes and he could be the trump card for West Indies on Thursday. T20 World Cups में उनका रिकॉर्ड इतना अच्छा नहीं है अभी, but this could be his tournament. Andre Russell is amongst the greatest all-rounders in T20 cricket history and will be the X-factor for the West Indies in the lower order. Russell किसी भी impossible situation को possible बना सकते हैं T20 format में. Rahmanullah Gurbaz is a destructive batter at the top of the order for Afghanistan, who will take the attack to the West Indies bowler in the power play. Gurbaz has an excellent record in T20 World Cup cricket. Rashid Khan is amongst the greatest bowlers in T20I cricket history and has bagged 144 wickets in just 88 matches at an average of 18 and economy of 6. He will be a handful for the West Indies batters in the middle overs. Left-handers के विरुद्ध रशीद घातक साबित हो सकते हैं। आंद्रे रसल ने गुरबाज को 3 T20s में 2 बार आउट किया है, पर काफी पिटाई भी खाई है। ये एक बढ़िया मुकाबला होने वाला है पावर प्ले में। Andre Russell versus Rashid Khan in the middle overs could define the outcome of the match. Rashid ने रसल को 5 बार आउट किया है 13 इनिंग्स में, पर थोड़े से महंगे साबित भी हुए हैं। निकोलस पूरन चाइना मैन बॉलर्स के साथ दिक्कत में आ जाते हैं and Afghanistan have a big weapon in Noor Ahmed to counter the destructive left-hander. Najibullah Zadran will be the hot pick for Afghanistan. He has a good record against the West Indies and is an excellent stroke maker against pace. Najibullah में एक खास ability है sixes मारने की। Kareem Jannat has not done much in the last 3 T20Is and is the avoid pick for Afghanistan. Nicholas Pooran will be the hot pick for West Indies. Pooran is one of the most feared middle order batters in the world. No one has hit more sixes in T20s than Pooran this year. Shai Hope has a strike rate of just 125 in T20I cricket and is an avoid pick for the West Indies. West Indies will have the edge as they are the home team and have a better understanding of conditions, but it will not be easy against Afghanistan. अगर विकेट में स्पिनर्स के लिए हेल्प हुई तो अफगानिस्तान का पलड़ा भारी हो जाएगा। Pooran will be key for the West Indies in the middle order, while Gurbaz and Rashid Khan अफगानिस्तान के ट्रम्प कार्ड्स होंगे। Rashid Khan will be a good option for captain as he can be a match winner both with the bat and ball. Vice captain के लिए Andre Russell is a good option. And finally, ये है हमारी Fantasy 11 for the Afghanistan versus West Indies encounter. We have 6 players from West Indies and 5 from Afghanistan. Gurbaz will be the aggressor in the power play, Pooran the playmaker in the middle order, and Russell and Najibullah the enforcers at the death. Farooqi will lead the bowling attack in the first 6 overs, while the spin trip of Rashid, Noor Ahmed and Nusin will control the middle overs. Russell slog overs में bowling के लिए अच्छे विकल्प होंगे. For backup players, we have Ibrahim Zadran as batter, Alzari Joseph as bowler, and Mohammad Nabi as all-rounder.